Welcome to the Amused Nomad, and welcome to La Mariposa Blanca, our vacation home on the Pacific coast of Panama. When we're not here, we rent it out on VRBO and Airbnb. If you're interested, I'll leave links in the video description. When the house was built, its white walls felt bare. Art can be expensive, so while I did purchase some pieces, I created many myself. Some are paintings, others are photographs I took, and some were made using digital tools and printed. The living room. Since the house is called La Mariposa Blanca, the white butterfly, it only makes sense to have a white butterfly near the front door. I created this piece using Midjourney and had it printed. The frame came from Amazon, where I bought a bulk pack. You'll see these frames on many other pictures around the house. Turn around and you'll see a set of 3 abstract paintings in different color schemes, but with the same geometric pattern. I painted these myself with acrylic on canvas back in Toronto and then shipped them down. In Panama, I had them stretched and mounted at a framing store in David. Another painting in the living room doesn't have a title yet. If you have a suggestion, leave it in the comments. It's also acrylic on canvas. Normally it's mounted on the wall, but it's temporary on the floor due to a recent wall repair. Also in this space is a collection of ceramic butterflies. Some we bought in Toronto, while others we picked up on vacation in Portugal. I bought this painting from a local artist in San Felix. The garden and the veranda. Step outside and you'll find a few surprises in the garden. Some gnomes, a couple of mermaids, and on the veranda, a painted cutout of a whale's tail. I think we bought this at HomeSense. It fits well here, since the whales visit the area in the summer month. Before heading upstairs, here are some photos of toucans that I took at an animal rescue center in Costa Rica and had them enlarged and printed on canvas. Halfway up the stairs is a large abstract painting I created using a mallet-smashed technique. This is similar to an acrylic pour, but instead of letting the paint flow, you smash it with a rubber mallet. It's fun but messy, and the drying process takes a long time. Once dried, I rolled it up and shipped it to Panama and had it stretched and mounted. The master bedroom and office. The master bedroom still needs more art, but the theme here is pineapples. One of my more tedious projects is this pixelated pineapple painting. I took a photo, pixelated it, and created a grid on canvas, then meticulously painted each square. It took forever, I wouldn't do it again. Around the corner in the office area, I have several AI-generated artworks. I primarily used Midjourney, but I've also experimented with Bing Image Creator. Here are some highlights. 2 Impressionist-style paintings of pineapples. This one is as if Monet painted it, a surreal take on Van Gogh that ended up as cheerful figures enjoying some pineapple wine. A Dutch master-style pineapple vendor, inspired by Vermeer. A pop art pineapple reminiscent of Roy Lichtenstein. A Latin American woman holding a pineapple. A playful scene, a 1950s police investigation where the key evidence is a pineapple. El Presidente presenting a pineapple to his country, with the First Lady and military officials looking on. downstairs bedrooms. In the hallway leading to the downstairs bedrooms, I have canvas prints of flower photos I took on various vacations. The downstairs king bedroom features prints of animals native to Panama. These include an AI-generated underwater scene, 3 of my own photographs, a Jeffrey's tamarin, a sloth, and a capuchin monkey, 3 AI-generated animals, a jaguar, a Panamanian golden frog, and a margay. The mermaid's room. One of my favorite rooms is the double queen bedroom, also known as the mermaid room. The large mermaid prints were images I found online and edited in Corel Paint Shop Pro for a pop art effect. I had them printed in Canada and then shipped, stretched, and mounted here. For the pillowcases, I used Bing Image Creator to design the mermaid illustrations. I then added speech bubbles in Paint Shop Pro and had them custom printed. Between them are mermaid pillows from HomeSense. This room also features a couple of comic book style mermaid paintings, 2 melancholy mermaids, one in the style of Rembrandt, well, according to Midjourney, and the other inspired by John William Waterhouse. A mermaid statue we brought with us, an impressionist style mermaid print. In the ensuite bathroom, here is a mermaid exploring a shipwreck. Also, a photograph of a mermaid interacting with a military officer, and a black and white photo of a mermaid talking to a police officer. Bonus creations. I've also created many images that I haven't printed or displayed. I'll share some in this video as a bonus. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which piece is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the Amused Nomad.